Welcome to Xander's Adventures! Back to the Lego store. What am I? Oh, I think I'm going to sleep. Hello, everybody. Today we're going to see. Who's here? Come here. The Lego store. Back to the Lego store. Guys, comment down below if we should get this Lamborghini. Where to start? I need to find my Lego bricks for my favorite Lego vessel. It's called Santa Soledad. We're building it out of Lego. We need to find the right part. Perfect! Cups. We don't need cups. What else? No, I don't know. Oh, here! Perfect. Whoa. These are perfect to find, but we need to find all of this. Aha! There it is. Perfect. These are almost good. Guys, look. These parts are almost good, but we need it a little bit like this. Like right there. It should be like this, but longer and also short. Man, it was so difficult to find. These would be useful for the, what's that called again? For the keel. It should be like this. First, we need to attach these two bricks together. It should be like this tall. Cool, right? Anyways, we need to keep searching. Follow. The Harry Potter. Hello, I'm Harry Potter. Oh, I'm Harry Potter today. Guys, these are perfect, right? Like this. So this is how it's meant to be. So wait, let's put them back. So technically, this is the game plan. Basically, we're gonna build the boat like this. This is the color of Santa Soledad, guys. See that? That's the color. We need to buy more of this. But there's not any more left. But first, we need to find the accessories for Santa Soledad. Follow me. Let's see. Nah, almost worked. These could work. I mean, perfect shape. It's pink. Not touching it. We could use something. Oh, these are useful. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, 10. We need 10 windows of this for the sides, like this. Like Santa Soledad, like the mini window that you see in the air condition. And we need several more for the front. So these parts are pass. These ones also a pass, but maybe never mind. No, it's not too good. But we need to find. So basically, the windows approved. But what about the bricks? We're going to have to find them one way. Let's check it out here. That's all I need. A lot of white, a lot of windows, a lot of white.
Are you sure?
Yep. Swear. That's it for today's video for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.